Good morning. We're taking a peek outside on our Storm Team Skycam network here in Fargo. And you can see that the road surface wet once again this morning. We've had some rain rolling through. Not as much as yesterday, but enough to once again be a nuisance here this morning for a lot of us in the valley. Let's check out the radar right now. There's some light rain occurring here in central parts of the valley and then south into the Fargo-Moorhead area. Just a couple of sprinkles, especially over into Clay County. I've got this on a 3-hour loop just to kind of see where we've been as far as the rain is concerned. And you can see Lakes Country got a little more moderate rain over into Fergus Falls before that kind of weakened quite a bit and fizzled out a little for us. Of course, the heavier rain over toward the east, and we're just getting some sprinkles now in the valley, or some very light rain showers, some mist out there. Visibility may be down for a time. Across the tri-state area, here's what we've got going on. A lot of the energy and the leading edge of this system. We're looking at that line affecting places like Duluth, stretching down toward the west suburbs of Minneapolis, and those are all moving east, northeastward here this morning. So that's where the heavy rain is. That's where they have that flash flood watch going on and a couple of warnings in that region. On the backside of it, we're a little cooler. We've got some lighter rain showers, but then there are some showers over, and even some blue showing up in the Black Hills by Rapid City, indicating there might be some snow there in the upper elevations. That's lifting to the northeast, this area of rainfall. So we're going to keep an eye on that for what it might do, if it's going to hold together as it moves into the valley. Our model indicates it just may. So we'll take a look at that in a moment. Visibility looks good for most of us. It's lower the farther east you go into Minnesota. And our winds are pretty light. In fact, a lot of places reporting calm conditions with light variable winds happening this morning. So most of us are in the upper 40s to some low 50s. However, there's the one area, the Devil's Lake Basin, where we've cleared out. And that meant our temperatures dropped there overnight quite a bit. In fact, we're at 37 degrees in Langdon. It's 42 in Devil's Lake. So cooler there. The rest of us, again, 40s to 50s, 51 in Fargo, 49 in Grand Forks. Your hour-by-hour planner, 5 a.m., we're looking at, of course, those showers rolling through. Progressing through the next couple of hours, just a couple of spotty showers like we're seeing right now here in the valley. Ahead for 9 a.m., we've got more cloud cover in the region. We've got some spotty areas of rain, so just a gloomy start to the day. And it's a little cool out there, too, so maybe an extra layer plus the raincoat here needed, especially if you're going to be outside at all in the first half of the day. That's when we have our best chances for rain. By noon, some of us getting some of those rain showers still ongoing, some of that rain that we're looking at in South Dakota. If it holds together, we'll have moved into the valley at that point. Temperatures in the low to mid 50s. And ahead for the afternoon, we're hoping to get that to clear out. We'll get in the dry sector of this system and end up getting some clearing skies. Temperatures into the 50s to some low 60s for your highs today. A little breezy though. Wind will be out of the southwest and gusting to 20 miles per hour. And then we start to get that wraparound cloud cover associated with it gradually moving in, and perhaps a couple of sprinkles with that. Overnight tonight, those temperatures dipping with that cooler air punching in. We'll be down into that 40-degree range. Can't rule out some of us dipping down into the upper 30s overnight. There's some freeze warnings out west and western parts of the state of North Dakota. And by noon tomorrow, temperatures in the 40s to some low 50s, and a struggle to warm up because of that cooler air moving in, and just not really being able to see those temperatures climb, especially this time of year. As we get into October, we're losing that angle, that more direct angle of the sun's rays, and then it just gets harder and harder for that sun to warm us up. Here's a look at our photo today. This is in Grand Forks with some really pretty reflections off a very calm looking Red River. Thank you, Don, for sharing that with us. Here's a look at your 7-day planner. Today, 60. Tomorrow, more of the same as far as temperatures are concerned. We'll have a mix of some clouds and sun tomorrow, but our rain chances will be winding down for a little bit. And then it continues into Thursday. Friday, our next system moves in, and this one will be bringing us rain chances coming up for Friday. A good shot at some rain Friday throughout the day, and continuing into the day on Saturday with a high of 61 degrees. We'll be seeing some scattered showers Saturday. And for Sunday, upper 50s, so much cooler here as we round out the extended planner into the mid-50s by Monday. So no major systems on the way except for the one on Friday. Looks like it could produce more rain. If you're feeling waterlogged, definitely want to pay close attention to that one coming in.
Thank you, Lisa. You can help your employees succeed by improving the wellness around the office. We have some great expert advice on just how to do that next on the Valley Today.